Welcome to Destiny Destinations, where the world moves, stories breathe, and every journey begins with wonder.
Sometimes, the world we've built can feel overwhelming. Traffic, screens, and the relentless pace of modern life drown out something essential. The constant hum of engines, the glow of neon lights, and the endless notifications on our phones can make it easy to forget that there's a world beyond the city's edge. We move from one task to the next, rarely pausing to breathe deeply or notice the sky above us. In this whirlwind, it's easy to lose touch with the quieter, more ancient rhythms that once guided our days and nights. We forget we are, at our core, creatures of the natural world. Our bodies and minds are shaped by the forests, rivers, and mountains that have cradled humanity for millennia. The laughter of children playing in a meadow, the crunch of leaves underfoot, the simple act of walking beneath a canopy of trees. These are not just pastimes, but reminders of where we truly belong. Nature is not a luxury, it is a part of us calling us back whenever we stray too far. There's a deep yearning within us for open skies, the scent of pine, and the silence of a star-filled night. These moments reconnect us to something timeless, something that speaks to the soul in a language older than words. When we gaze up at a sky unspoiled by city lights, or breathe in the cool, resinous air of a pine forest, we remember what it means to be alive. The wild stirs something within us, a longing for freedom, for adventure, for peace. Every sense awakens in the wild. The touch of moss on stone, the whisper of wind through grass, the delicate sparkle of dew on wildflowers at dawn. These are the details that ground us, that remind us of the beauty in simplicity. In nature, we find a clarity that is often missing from our daily lives. This is an invitation to answer that call, to step away from the familiar and journey to a place where nature's voice is a magnificent, soul-stirring roar. Imagine standing at the edge of a vast valley as the sun rises, painting the mountains in gold and pink. The air is fresh, the world is quiet, and for a moment, you feel truly present. Part of something much greater than yourself. Imagine leaving the city behind as concrete gives way to rolling hills, and then to something far grander. The landscape transforms before your eyes. Skyscrapers shrink in the rear-view mirror, replaced by the gentle rise and fall of green hills, and then by the jagged silhouettes of distant peaks. Each kilometer takes you further from the noise, closer to the heart of the wild. The air grows crisp, carrying the promise of wilderness. You roll down your window and breathe deeply, feeling the coolness on your skin and the scent of earth and pine in your lungs. The mist clings to the valleys, and your breath becomes visible in the high mountain air. A gentle reminder that you are somewhere new, somewhere untamed. You're heading to Pakistan, not the Pakistan of bustling cities, but its wild heart. Colossal mountains, serene valleys, and landscapes that seem to belong to the dawn of time. Here, the Karakoram and Himalaya ranges rise like ancient sentinels, their snow-capped peaks touching the sky. Valleys stretch out in silence, rivers wind through untouched land, and every view is a reminder of nature's grandeur. This is about feeling the humbling sensation of standing at the foot of a mountain that pierces the clouds. The sheer scale of these giants puts everything in perspective. Your worries shrink, your senses sharpen, and you're filled with awe. It's a feeling that can't be captured in photos or words. It must be experienced, felt in your bones. It's about the peace that settles in your soul as you watch a turquoise river carve through a timeless valley. The water glimmers in the sunlight, moving with a quiet power that has shaped these lands for centuries. Sitting by the riverside, you listen to the gentle rush of water and feel a sense of calm that is rare in the modern world. We'll travel to the roof of the world, descend into paradise-like valleys, and cross vast, silent deserts where dunes sing in the wind. Each landscape tells its own story, of ancient glaciers, of wildflowers blooming against all odds, of winds that have shaped the earth for millennia. The diversity of Pakistan's wild places is astonishing, offering a new wonder at every turn. Along the way, you'll meet people whose lives are woven into the fabric of these landscapes. Shepherds guiding their flocks through high pastures, families sharing stories by a campfire, friends laughing over tea in a mountain hut. Their connection to the land is deep and enduring, a reminder that the wild is not just a place, but a way of life. This is a voyage into a land of contrasts, a chance to explore the hidden wonders of Pakistan's wildest places. Prepare to be astonished, not just by the scenery, but by the sense of belonging you'll discover in the heart of the wild. The journey begins now. Pakistan's geography is extraordinary, a place where the Earth's crust has been thrust upwards with unimaginable force. Nowhere else on Earth do such colossal mountain ranges collide in such dramatic fashion, creating a landscape that is both awe-inspiring and humbling. The very ground beneath our feet here is the result of ancient tectonic battles, where continents have crashed together over millions of years, pushing rocks skyward to form some of the highest peaks on the planet. Here, at the northern edge of Pakistan, the mighty Himalayas, the formidable Karakoram, and the mysterious Hindu Kush converge in a spectacular display of geological might. This is one of the only places on Earth where three great mountain systems meet, creating a natural fortress of stone and ice that has shaped the history, climate, and cultures of the region. The Himalayas, with their sweeping arc, dominate the eastern horizon. Among their giants stands Nanga Parbat, the formidable Killer Mountain. Towering at over 8,100 meters, Nanga Parbat is not only one of the world's tallest peaks, but also one of its most dangerous, shrouded in legend and tragedy. Its sheer faces and treacherous slopes have challenged climbers for generations, earning it a fearsome reputation. To the north, the Karakoram range rises even more wild and rugged. This is a land of immense glaciers, including the Siachen and Baltoro, and jagged granite spires that pierce the sky. The Karakoram is home to K2, the second highest mountain on Earth, and a realm where only the hardiest life survives. Its remote valleys and icy summits remain some of the least explored places on the planet. The Hindu Kush, ancient and mysterious, stretches westward, forming a formidable barrier with its high peaks and deep valleys. For centuries, these mountains have served as both a gateway and a wall, shaping the movement of people, ideas, and empires. Their rugged terrain is steeped in history, echoing with the footsteps of traders, conquerors, and adventurers. Together, these three ranges make northern Pakistan a vertical world of breathtaking beauty and profound significance. The region's dramatic cliffs, deep gorges, and snow-capped summits create a landscape unlike any other, where nature's power is on full display and every view is a reminder of the Earth's restless energy. It's a landscape that has captivated explorers and scientists for centuries, from early adventurers mapping uncharted territory to modern researchers studying its unique geology and ecosystems. The mountains of Pakistan have long been a source of fascination and discovery. Welcome to the land of giants, a place where the Earth's greatest forces have sculpted a realm of wonder, challenge, and enduring mystery. Deep in the Karakoram stands K2, the savage mountain, second highest on Earth and the ultimate mountaineering challenge. Its steep pyramidal shape and unpredictable storms make it a true test of human endurance. The journey to K2's base is an epic adventure, trekking up the Baltoro Glacier, surrounded by a pantheon of giants. The sky is filled with legendary peaks, Broad Peak, the Gasherbrums, and the Trango Towers. The landscape is monumental, the silence broken only by the groan of glaciers and distant avalanches. Here, you walk through the workshop of creation. Amid the Karakoram's peaks lie valleys of astonishing beauty, oases where life thrives against all odds. The Hunza Valley, famed for its longevity and scenery, transforms from stark mountains to vibrant terraced fields and blossoming orchards. Ingenious irrigation channels bring glacial water to the fields, turning a mountain desert into a verdant paradise. Life here moves to the rhythm of the seasons, rooted in deep connection to land and tradition. The high mountains of Pakistan are the birthplace of water, feeding streams and rivers that create stunning alpine lakes. Atabad Lake, born from a landslide, is a surreal turquoise jewel amid barren mountains, a testament to nature's power to create beauty from disaster. Boating here, you glide across still waters beneath towering peaks. These lakes are the sapphire tears of the mountains, pristine, breathtaking, unforgettable. Beyond the mountains, Pakistan's southern deserts offer a mesmerizing contrast. Vast seas of golden sand and endless sky. The Thar and Kolistan deserts are ancient landscapes of silence and endurance, where the horizon stretches forever. Rolling dunes shift from pale gold to deep ochre as the light changes. Life here is sparse and resilient, the silence broken only by the whisper of wind. It's a place for contemplation, stripped to the essentials. Pakistan's diverse landscapes are home to an astonishing array of wildlife, many rare and elusive. National parks like Kunjarab and Deosai protect iconic species, the ghostly snow leopard, the Himalayan brown bear, and the agile markhor. Conservation efforts have brought the markhor back from the brink, a true success story. In the wetlands and along the Indus, the endangered Indus River dolphin navigates by echolocation. Coastal mangroves and riverbanks host millions of migratory birds. From soaring vultures to tiny sunbirds, Pakistan's wildlife is a treasure demanding urgent protection. These wild spaces are vital sanctuaries for the future. For adventurers, Pakistan is a world-class playground, raw, untamed, and limitless. Trekking is the gateway from gentle valley hikes to legendary journeys like K2 Base Camp and Nanga Parbat. Each step is a plunge into wild beauty and solitude. The true soul of Pakistan's wild places lies in the people who call them home. Across the rugged mountains and lush valleys, it is the villagers, shepherds, and farmers who have shaped the land for generations. Their stories are etched into the very soil, their lives intertwined with the rhythms of nature. In Hunza, Skardu, Kalash, and Chitral, communities live in harmony with their environment, guided by tradition and deep knowledge of the land. These regions are not just breathtaking for their scenery, but for the people who have learned to thrive in such challenging terrain. Their customs and daily practices are shaped by the seasons, the mountains, and the rivers that sustain them. Life here revolves around cooperation, building irrigation channels, planting and harvesting together. Every task, from tending to terraced fields to sharing the fruits of their labor, is a communal effort. This spirit of unity ensures that everyone is cared for, and that the land remains fertile for future generations. Their wisdom, music, textiles, and food are woven from the landscape itself. Songs echo the call of the mountains, while vibrant textiles reflect the colors of wildflowers and rivers. Meals are prepared with ingredients grown in their own soil, each dish a celebration of the land's bounty and the community's shared heritage. These traditions are alive, passed from elders to children, offering lessons in sustainability and respect for nature. Through careful stewardship, they protect their forests, conserve water, and ensure that their way of life endures. Their practices remind us that true progress honors the balance between people and the earth. Here, wealth is measured in community, culture, and the health of the land. Festivals and gatherings bring people together to celebrate their connection to each other and to nature. The bonds they share are as strong as the mountains that surround them. The keepers of the land inspire us to live in harmony with the wild world around us. Their lives are a testament to resilience, wisdom, and the enduring power of community, a reminder that we too are part of nature's story.
Thank you for traveling with us. Stay. The most incredible adventures are still ahead.